Hello everyone, let's build a simple app using SwiftUI. First we will start with the basic project setup. In Xcode, create a project and select SwiftUI as your interface. Here you will see the default text view that says hello world, but let's customize it. We will start by using a VStack to arrange elements vertically. Next, let's add a title using text view. For example, we will display welcome to SwiftUI. We will set the text font to a large title and style it with padding. Now let's add a button. When tapped this button will print a message to the console. And provide button title name. It will be styled with padding. Have a blue background and white foreground color. And rounded corners. Finally, let's add an image using a sub symbol. We will include a star. Make it resizable and specify its width and height. And change its color to yellow. That's it. With just a few lines of code, we have built a simple user interface. We will run and check the output. If you see logging system failure error, let's fix it first. In the schema editor, go to run section, select the argument tab. Let's add the environment variable as IDE prefer log stream and set value to S. Save your changes and clean the build folder and run the app again. And you should see that logging system is now working properly. Tap the button and check the console for output. This is how easy and fast SwiftUI makes UI development. Try building your own SwiftUI interface today. Thank you.